Honor is rumored to bring X10 Pro and X10 Max in July, and we've already learned some bits and pieces about them. However, the latest information comes from the brand CEO George Zhao, who revealed on Weibo that a large-screen product is incoming. We are pretty sure he is speaking about bringing back the Max lineup that was a hit in China with the Honor X10 Max, but mysteriously disappeared when the Honor 9X family took over the market. George Zhao explained that the Huawei brand went through many challenges with planned products, including the transition from 4 grams to 5 grams. But the commitment for a big device remains and will be on time. He rebutted claims that the 7 screen is challenging and the company might not be ready for the Dragon Boat Festival, a Chinese holiday, celebrating the summer solstice. The Honor X10 Max is said to have a 7.09 display and should come with the Dimensity 800 chipset. Sources claim it will bring a 48MP main camera with 26mm lens and f/1.8 aperture. Price should be around 1,600 Chinese yuan, which is just about $225/00, making it one of the cheaper 5G phones on the market.